Windows play a crucial role in the functionality and aesthetics of your home. They not only provide natural light and ventilation but also contribute significantly to energy efficiency and curb appeal. Over time, however, windows can show signs of wear and tear, impacting their performance and your home's overall comfort. If you're a homeowner in Pell City, recognizing these signs early can help you avoid higher energy bills, structural damage, and decreased property value. Here are the key signs it's time for window replacement in Pell City homes. Noticeable drafts or air leaks. If you feel a noticeable draft even when your windows are closed, it's a clear indicator that they are no longer sealed properly. Air leaks not only make your home uncomfortable during hot Pell City summers and chilly winters but also lead to increased energy usage as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a stable indoor temperature. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient ones can eliminate drafts, improve insulation, and reduce your energy bills. Rising energy bills. High energy bills can often be traced back to poorly insulated windows. If your HVAC system seems to be running constantly without achieving the desired temperature, it's likely due to energy loss through your windows. Modern replacement windows, especially those with double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low-E coatings, are designed to provide better insulation, keeping your home comfortable while reducing energy consumption. Condensation between panes. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, this is a sign that the seal has failed. Once the seal is broken, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency. Window replacement is the best solution to restore the thermal performance of your home and avoid further damage caused by trapped moisture. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or don't close properly can be both a security risk and a source of frustration. Over time, frames can warp, hardware can corrode, and mechanisms can break, especially in the humid climate of Pell City. Replacing these windows ensures smoother operation, better security, and enhanced convenience. Visible damage or decay. Rotting wood, cracked glass, or warped frames are all clear signs that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Not only do these issues affect your home's appearance, but they can also compromise its structural integrity. New windows will not only improve your home's aesthetics but also protect it from water infiltration, pests, and other potential damages. Excessive noise from outside. If you're constantly hearing traffic, construction, or other outside noise even with your windows closed, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern windows with multiple panes and soundproofing features can significantly reduce noise transmission, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Windows that look outdated or don't match the style of your home can negatively impact its curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its visual appeal, replacing old windows with modern, stylish designs can make a huge difference. Water damage or leaks. Water stains or leaks around your windows indicate that they are no longer effectively sealing out moisture. this can lead to mold growth, peeling paint, and damage to surrounding walls or flooring. Investing in window replacement prevents further water damage and ensures your home stays dry and safe. Choosing the right window replacement for Pell City homes. When replacing your windows, consider options that are designed to handle the climate and specific needs of Pell City. Energy-efficient windows with UV protection, durable frames, and quality insulation are ideal for this region. Additionally, working with a trusted local window replacement company ensures you get professional installation and access to products suited to your home's unique requirements. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs that it's time for window replacement in your Pell City home can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and increase its value. Whether it's drafts, high energy bills, or visible damage, addressing these issues promptly ensures your home stays functional, efficient, and beautiful. If you've noticed any of these signs, don't wait. Contact a professional window replacement service in Pell City today to explore your options and take the first step toward a more comfortable and energy-efficient home.